welcome to our planting lesson today. Come and join the fun. Make sure you've got some soil. You can grab it out your garden, and make sure you've got some pots to put your goodies in, and a nice spade, some water to spray it with, and don't forget your seeds. I have some coriander seeds. So let's start off by putting some soil into our little pot. Always get your mum or dad or carer to give you a hand. Got the soil in our pot. Let's add some seeds. In this size pot, you can add 2 or 3 little seeds if you like. Once they grow, you can always plant them into your garden. There they go, they're in now. You can give them a little spray of water. Add some soil on top. And there we go, we planted our seedling. Let's give it a bit of a spray, and we like to put it in a nice warm sunny spot to let it grow. I've grown a few of my own. Let's have a look. This is my little greenhouse, and inside of it, you can see, I don't know if you can see very carefully there, but you can see the different seedlings as they've grown. You can just use a big pot if you like, or you can plant them straight into your garden. Here's another seedling that I planted, and look, it grew into a beautiful pansy. Hopefully you can grow one too.